More than 100 homes were damaged Monday afternoon after a tornado ripped through Harris County, Texas. Drone video of the destruction revealed the extent of the damage, which included torn-off rooftops and debris strewn across yards and pools. No serious injuries or deaths have been reported after the storm. Severe storms developed in the Houston area on Monday afternoon, where warm temperatures were in place ahead of a cold front. An unstable atmosphere combined with wind shear produced supercell thunderstorms, which resulted in several reports of a tornado.